begin with today's lemon and pepper chicken. Now here I've taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it up into small cubes. I've then added one egg which I've just beaten, some salt to taste. Then I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, about 3 tablespoons of corn flour. We're going to mix everything well and we're going to keep this aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm just going to heat about a tablespoon of oil and I'm going to add the chicken, and I'm going to fry the chicken by turning it in intervals so that it becomes a nice golden brown color. Because of the corn flour that we've added, it becomes nice and crispy. Now here I have some chicken stock which I've prepared by just taking half a cup of hot water and adding 1 chicken cube to it. Then you're also going to need about a tablespoon of soya sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. This is the juice of 1 lemon. This is again 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now this is about 5 cloves of garlic which I've chopped fine and 1 inch of ginger which I have grated. This is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now if you don't have brown sugar, you can also use regular sugar. Now the chicken pieces are getting fried and they become nice and crispy because of the corn flour. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add the chicken stock, the soya sauce, the brown sugar. Just mix it up. Then I'm going to add up the chili sauce, the red chili sauce, and the ginger and the garlic. And I'm going to mix all of this very well. Now since it's lemon pepper chicken, we're going to add lemon. So basically I've taken 1 entire lemon and I'm going to add the pepper and the salt. I've taken an entire lemon juice, or if you want to measure it, about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now this is our sauce that we've prepared. Our chicken pieces are nice and brown and they become nice and crispy. So I've cooked them for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to add this sauce which I have prepared. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes till everything comes well together. Now you can give this sauce a taste and you can check whether you want to add any more salt or any of make it more spicy by adding some more red chili sauce. And once it's ready, you're just going to garnish it either with some spring onions or some coriander. And your lemon pepper chicken is all ready. Now I like to always club this up with some lemon and coriander rice. It goes perfectly well. So for this lemon and coriander rice, what I do is I just take some pre-cooked rice, and to the rice I just add the juice of half a lemon, mix it up well, and then I just add some freshly chopped coriander. You can add a pinch of salt, and then just mix everything well together and your lemon and coriander rice is ready, and it goes super well with this lemon and pepper chicken. It just complements it really well. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel.